Room 2513-2513 on Holland, America, Zaandam. So it's an ocean view with portholes. So take you in. You have a little curtain here where you can separate the bathroom area and changing room area. It has a king size bed that can be split into 2 single beds. It's a very nice, very large. There is, on both sides, there is a place to hang your jackets, and I brought the little hook beside that has my hat. So there's another one over here. And again, you have a curtain here that can separate the bedroom area. So you have a nice area there with a pretty good sized TV. 3 drawers down there for storage. A little table for eating and a couch here. I'm not sure if this one can have more than 2 people, if this goes out for a child. So on this side of your bed, you do have more storage. I don't think there's any plugs by this side of the bed, and there's storage there as well. A huge mirror, which is really, really nice. And you also have this one here that comes out so you can do makeup. One side is magnifying. And so there you can see all the closet space that they have, which is fantastic. In the first one here, you have your safe and some towels. In the next one, this side has long hanging, and this one has some shelving and some short hanging, which is really nice. And then the last one over here is all shelving on both sides, which is really nice. And then the washroom in this one is upgraded. Some of them have tubs in them, so it's really nice. So this is just like the conning stand basically. So a really nice updated shower. Really like this, it's beautiful. Really, really like it. So there's the washroom. Really like this. I didn't know if I would get an updated one or not. Not all of them are. And in here, down there you have your footrest, so if you want to shave your legs. And up here on that side and here is a place for you to hang clothes, bathing suits, stuff like that. And of course we have the endless bath. So very, very nice. Looks beautiful. Gonna really enjoy this.